What is your understanding of the number of trainers who are actually focused enough to give it their best shot? So maybe out of 10 people, how many do you think have that fire in their belly which says that no, I'm going to do it, whatever be the case, it's me and that's it?
So fire is something that they may all have, right? But it also has to do with competence. So I define competence as a six-pronged or the hexagon, the competence hexagon. So one, you may have knowledge about training or about a subject. You already heard about this. Second is the skills part of it. So you're good at communicating, you're good at speaking, right? You're good at, so one is knowledge of a particular subject. Let's say conflict management is your forte, it's a signature program. You have great knowledge about it. You've read multitude of books, you have done a lot of work on it, and you have experienced it. So you gain knowledge from that. That's one part of it. The second is the skill part of it. So you also know how to speak about it. You also know how to communicate about conflict. You know how to speak and convince people about it. Third is the passion part of it. Yes, attitude. So you have the right attitude. You really think that conflict management, the program, can make a big difference to people when they attend it. So you're very passionate about it. So your attitude is very positive. You upgrade yourself. You're learning about it regularly. So knowledge, skills, attitude. तो आपने सुना होगा. I'm going to add, three more to it. The fourth element of competence is called habits. Do you have the habit of upgrading yourself, making it more live, the discipline of making that even more perfect than what it was yesterday? Do you have the discipline, or do you have the habit of doing a fantabulous job every time? Do you have the habit of customizing that program every time you conduct that program somewhere? So the fourth element of competence is called habits. If you have the right habits for any skill, or any knowledge that you have, then we are saying that you are more competent than so many other people. The fifth element is called strategy. Given all the knowledge you have, given all the passion you have, given the discipline that you have, given the skill of communication that you have, do you know which model to use when? What sentence to speak when? Do you have strategic ideas about how to sell that product to the customer? Do you know क्या बोलने से मुझे project मिलेगा? So that's the strategy part. You know how to sell. And the last one is creativity. The last element of competence is creativity. So creativity is when you're innovating the same thing over and over and over again and making it even better than before. You're using so many models and so much of that you've read, and you're mixing and matching and recreating newer and newer models out of it, which is more relevant to the current market. That's the creativity part of it. So in music, same thing. Knowledge, गाने का मुझे सब राग पता है, सब ताल पता है, मुझे सब पता है, ठीक है. उसके बाद I have passion. Yes, I'm very passionate. मैं उसके बारे में तो मतलब दिन रात उसके बारे में मैं क्या कहते हैं सोचती रहती हूँ. I love music completely. Skill, I'm able to sing well. 4, I have the discipline of riyaz every day of 3 hours, discipline of not eating ice cream, discipline of having hot water with lemon and honey and salt or whatever every day with it, having the discipline, saying no to fried food, वो discipline है मेरे अंदर. Then strategy, I should know what to sing when. किसी की मैयत में जाकर के मैं भांगड़ा तो नहीं गा सकती ना, उतना तो अक्ल होना चाहिए, right? ठीक है. और कौन से ऑडियंस को कौन सा पटेगा वो मुझे पता होना चाहिए ना. कौन से प्रोड्यूसर से मैं बात करूंगी तो मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगा, वो स्ट्रैटेजी तो पता होना चाहिए. So even if I'm a singer, I need. So even when I am in the music industry, even if I'm a great singer, I need to know strategically where do I need to place what, when do I need to sing what, which person should I contact, which events I should participate in, which events I should not participate in. मुझे कहाँ दिखना चाहिए, कहाँ नहीं दिखना चाहिए. इतना अगर मेरे पास स्ट्रैटेजी होगा, then I become even more confident in the industry of music as a singer, as a professional. And finally, एक मैं राग छेड़ूं आज, एक गाना मैं गाऊं, उसका मुझे 50 वेरिएशन तो आना चाहिए क्रिएटिविटी यूज करके. इस राग में ये मिला दिया, थोड़ा यहाँ आलाप चढ़ा दिया, यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा उसको अलंकार बिठा दिया, वो that is the creativity part of it. If you hear Asha Bhosle ever, everybody loves Asha Bhosle because she is someone who has turned music and singing into a complete profession. She knows what to sing. She knows how to appeal to every genre of people. She knows how to break through with the same song with greater fusion music. I mean, उनका गाना सुनिए ना, कांटा लगा तब भी उन्होंने गाया था, आज भी वही गाती है fusion. ठीक है? So she knows how to recreate. I heard her singing दिल चीज क्या है आप मेरी जान लीजिए. Original जो song तो सबने सुना है. I heard her singing in a live program once, right? And it was a recording. मैंने attend नहीं किया था. That was somewhere abroad in the US, California में था शायद. And my God, she sang it as though it was a completely new song. यहाँ एक ऐसा ठुमका बिठा दिया, वहां पर एक उन्होंने आला बिठा दिया. Oh, suddenly she stopped singing and she went into and she quoted some, kavita somewhere in between. She recreated it completely. It was a new song altogether. The training community में, it's about competence. So it doesn't matter, if there are people who are very dedicated, but if they could work on all the 6 attributes of competence, then they would really be supernatural successes in the industry. So it's about competence and not just about the dedication part of it. Dedication is the attitude part of it. Wonderful. But बाकी 5 चीजें तो करनी पड़ेंगी.
I'm sure there is a lot that you have learned through this video. In case you are a learning and development professional or a learner, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Learners Conclave and click the bell icon to be the first to know of new videos.